Take the tour of our room.
Kid cabin 114.
Ta-da!
Oh my
Smells like our
goodness.
Look at this. Look at my log cabin.
Ah, what? What? I want to sleep in there.
You don't get
I'm
it.
short.
You don't get it.
You can if you want to some night.
Oh, wow.
Grandma, this is
Look.
your bed, by the way. I just have a TV.
Oh,
on
turn
it.
that light on so they can see the lamp. Oh, it's got a big bear on it.
Hey, Grandma,
Awesome.
we also have a fire.
Wow.
Behind you.
Seriously? That
Yeah,
really
you can
works?
turn on fire.
That's cool.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, come
Turn
here.
it on.
Come to
I want
my
to see.
room.
Can you see the fireplace very well?
Yeah.
This reminds me of the Wilderness Lodge.
Yeah, it does.
Come here. Come to my log
Wow.
cabin.
Your room.
Yeah, it's kind of my room. It's
Your
very
room.
beautiful in here. See? Everything political. It's my little dog cabin. I have a TV in the corner up there.
You even have a TV in here?
Yeah.
Ah. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, look at the fixture on the ceiling.
Look at
I got
that.
these
It's got
moose.
pine
This is
cones
my
all
bed.
over it. Oh, and they have a microwave.
Awesome.
See, Stan said he thought he Googled it, and they did. That's a pretty big fridge. For I mean, she said dorm size.
Yeah. Look at that. It's even
That's
got
a little,
special
I think it's a little
cameras
bit bigger than
circulating.
dorm size. Wow, look
What
at
do
the
you got? You got rain
wallpaper up
outside?
there.
Look at that.
And there's a sink. You have a dresser that you can use 4 drawers.
Yeah.
And there's a closet space right here. Let's open a drawer. How deep do you think that
There's a
drawer is?
sprinkler. Look at
Maybe
that.
8 inches? That looks like you could put several stuff in there.
Little mistress, water a little please.
And it looks like it's like real wood. Looks like it's made really good. And then let's see the shower. What does the shower look like? Oh, look at the wallpaper. That's really nice. Wow. Cohen, did you see this wallpaper? It's got moose and deer and bears in it. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, the ceiling. Stan, look at this. It's like 12 feet tall at least.
Hey, Grandma.
Oh, look, is that a bear paw or wolf?
Yeah.
A wolf paw.
It's a paw.
Wow.
This is our pull-out couch. Guys, look, the little city area. You can sit right here and look at everything.
Sit right here and have your coffee.
Yeah.
And our room is on the first floor, which is below the lobby. But the first floor is where all this stuff is. So like the water park, Allen One, Tin Paw Alley, vending. There's also the Northern Lights Arcade, swim shop, Hungry as a Wolf, Bear Paw Sweets and Eats. So there's a lot on the first floor, right below the lobby. So it's a good floor to be on. Water park and arcade are that way. Tin Paw Alley is here. And our room is down the hall. We're in room 114.
And our grandson Cohen did his own amazing room tour when he first got there.
It won't.
So what are we doing right now, guys?
We are going into the room.
Where are we at?
Girl Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge.
So what's that room?
This is my little den. Then down here is the bathroom. Okay. The
Microwave.
sink and the microwave.
Fridge.
Fridge.
Coffee maker.
Coffee maker.
Ice bucket.
Ice bucket.
Large dresser.
Large dresser. TV. A bed. A couch bed. A table. A fireplace. A lamp. That's basically it.
What about over there?
What's this?
Our little backyard.
A little patio.
Should I go out there?
It'll be nice to just sit out there and be like, much better. Look at these. Dad, you're kind of in the way for a second.
And that's our room.
Yeah, it's our room.